Hi YouTube. Today I have a 2016 Honda Fit. Okay, and this is the LX model, which is probably don't matter. LX, EX, I believe they probably use pretty much the same part, but I might be wrong on that. Kind of noise when you turning your wheel, and I find that I think the bush on the cap on the top of the shock is making that noise, and they want me to replace the shock. So today I'm going to replace the shock, but before that I'm going to show you where the noise coming from first. Okay, if you open this right here, just pull this up. Okay, the shock's right there. This is the bush, the holding the shocks right there, that making noise. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, basically the whole thing's moving. I'm not sure it's normal, but it should be a normal. And the cap, probably the plastic cap, you know, there's two pieces. Let me show you the new one so you know exactly what to talk about. You see these two pieces right here? So this is the top piece, that what you see moving, and the second piece is this right here. Okay, your shocks sit on top of the chassis like that, and this too is like moving like this. So that's why you hear the noise, you know. So I think that if you replace this right here, may solve or may not solve the problem. And so they decide that, okay, replace the whole thing. So I got two of this shock right here, driver and passenger side. I'm going to replace this two shock. So from down here, you're just removing a couple, removing this one. Okay, this brake line number 12. So make sure you take the wheel sensor, because they draft the when you lower this, it will draft this line. So the safe side, just take the wheel sensor off. Okay, take this clip. Okay, so now just take from the top. Okay, this one's kind of lean a little bit, so I'm going to push down this bar so we'll clear this current. There's a linkage right here. So it's spin. So using the 6mm L wrench to hold it. Okay. So when you almost drive, so make sure you go pull your hand to holding the shock down there, so it won't hit anything, drop to hit the your line or anything like that. Now it's drop. So I take my shocks out, and then take the upper cap right here. Okay, and this bottom cap is stuck up here on the shock mount. So took this out right here. Okay, old one and new one. You see the cap here is worn out. Okay, so I'm not sure if that causing the noise, because this right here, you see this right here compared to that worn out, and this like not worn out. So I'm not sure if this caused the noise, but you know, it could be noise from here, okay, or noise from here. So I'm not sure which one making noise. So let's put the new ones in and try to see if that will solving the problem. Okay, basically you just put this one inside here, just reverse from where you're taking out. Okay, simple stuff. Okay, and then you go grab from the top here. You can put the caps on. That's it. So just tie it up. Pretty much you cannot really pour detail how many foot-pound and that stuff. So make sure it's tight, okay? Make sure you put this in tights on it, okay? And then just cover the cap here. Okay. Just pull this up. Okay. So let's test to see how it sounds. So it does a lot better than what before. So we'll see in driving a couple days to see what happens next. Okay, it's very simple how to replace this shock here. It's simple fix on this Honda Fit, the shock here. If you replace the whole thing, then it's something else, but I recommend it. If a shock is not dead, just replace the cap by itself, you know, the two pieces on the top. I'll show you. So if a noise only, I would recommend it, just if they have this too, just replace this too, because the rubber is worn out, so that's make noise. So just replace this two rubber. Your shock's still good, then you just, you know, don't worry about the shock yet. Unless your shock's all dead, then yeah, replace them all like this. Come in whole package is better, because you got everything new, and that make the car run smoother than you know, keep some part new, some parts old. Okay, all right, thank you for watching, and please help me subscribe. See you guys next video. Bye bye now.